Hi guys, my name is Akash Ubale. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see the overall view of Canva homepage. So let's begin. So you can see this kind of dashboard will appear on your screen after you sign up for the Canva. Okay, so you can see this is the your account. Okay, by clicking over you can see your account, overall account. Okay, it is the creator design. Okay, what kind of reward you get, this is the settings, account settings. Okay, this is the help center, any kind of support you need you can contact them. This is the search bar. You can see if I just type Insta, you can see Instagram post, Instagram reels, video, Instagram stories, and many more things will appear on your screen. It is a search bar, by the way. It is very easiest way to search anything. Okay, so this is the home page, overall home page. This is the templates. Okay, over here you can see social media. In social media, every stories, post, Facebook cover, everything. There is an option like personal, business, marketing, education, trending. Okay, many more things you can do by this feature. Okay, there is one more feature like features. What kind of features over there? Okay, this is for a features. Okay, in features, photos, icons, print product. You can print your own product and sale. Apps, explore, downloads, Canva Windows, Canva Android, Canva Mac, many more things. Okay, even there is a learning. Okay, there is some courses, tutorials, blogs, many more things. And there is even the pricing sections: free, pro, enterprises, educationals, and non-profit. Okay, so we will go to this by end of this video. There is a recommendation for you. All your designs, if you click over here, you can see overall designs of how much you have created. Okay, overall design. Okay, this is my design, by the way. Many people ask me how you make your thumbnail, so I use Canva basically. Okay, there is an option share with you. So if you're having a team, you're having a lot of people in your team, you can share this with them. Okay, brand kit, it is for a pro version, by the way. We will explain this overall afterwards, but this is the brand kit. It will help you a lot if you're having our own brand. Okay, content planner, there is a content planner. Okay, you can plan your content as per the days, as per the events. Okay, create your team. If you have any kind of team, you can create your own team over here. Just you have to team name and give them access. Okay, it is very useful. All your folders, if you are creating anything, you will create your all the folders like Instagram for Instagram stories, for Instagram post, for Facebook post, and many more things, for Pinterest post, many more things. And there is a trash, how much, what design you deleted, images, videos, and overall thing. So the main thing is, this is the home page. It's very creative and very easy to use. Okay, it's very easy. So hope you like this video. If you like these videos, please share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay.